My name is Ashwat. I am studying first class. Today we are going to an activity on articles. They are a and the. That used to before consonant sound. Examples: a cow, a mango. And used to before vowel sounds comes. Examples: an umbrella and ice cream. And the is used before particular person, place, or things. Example: the sun,